Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Today I am preparing prawns masala curry homemade style. So let's start. Add 1 tablespoon jeera. Add 1/2 tablespoon soap. Add 1/2 tablespoon pepper. Add bay leaves. Add small cinnamon stick. Add 1 black cardamom. Add 4 cloves. Add 3 cardamom. Add 1 star anise. Add 1/2 tablespoon shahi jeera. Slightly roast it. After roast, keep it aside. Add roasted spices in the jar. Then add some curry leaves and cashew and almond. Wash it first. Then add some mint leaves and coriander leaves. Look at the mint leaves, too big. Tablespoon coriander seeds powder. Add 1/2 tablespoon garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon salt. Then blend it nicely. Add little water. Take a cooking pan. Add 1 cup oil. After heat the oil, add spices. After sizzling, add 1 cup chopped onion. Add little salt. Just mix it. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes in medium flame. After 10 minutes, add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Let it cook for 2 minutes. I'm adding 2 tablespoons red chili powder as per your taste and 1/2 tablespoon turmeric. Let it cook for like few seconds. Then we're gonna add masala. Add everything into the pan. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Then after add roughly chopped tomato. 1 tomato. Tomato is nicely cooked. You can see the oil is released. Now we're gonna add prawns. I got a 500 grams prawns. Prawns. Mix it slowly. After 5 minutes, close the lid. Let it cook for 10 minutes. After 25 minutes, add half glass water. Curry is finished. Prawns curry is done, finished. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and like, share, comment and share with your family and friends. Until then, see you, bye.